Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a pond soup. This delightful Nigerian dish, also called ogbono soup, is famous for its distinctive, slippery texture. Made from ground wild African mango seeds, it's a hearty and flavorful meal. We'll walk through preparing this traditional favorite, which is often enjoyed with popular swallow foods such as pounded yam or eba. Get ready to create a truly authentic and satisfying culinary experience right in your own kitchen. To begin your pond soup journey, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of ground ogbono seeds, which are the heart of this soup. Have 2 to 3 tablespoons of rich palm oil ready, along with your preferred assorted meats, such as tender beef, tripe, and flavorful smoked fish. Don't forget 1 cup of ground crayfish, a half tablespoon of chili flakes for a kick, 4 cups of savory meat stock, and fresh leafy greens like spinach or ugu. Now let's prepare the soup base. First, boil your assorted meats until they are wonderfully tender, then set them aside, remembering to reserve about 3 to 4 cups of that rich meat stock. Next, gently heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm oil in a pot over medium heat, then reduce it to low. Add your ground ogbono to the warm oil, stirring continuously until it fully dissolves. Gradually incorporate the reserved meat stock, stirring until you reach your desired, thick consistency. To finish your delicious pond soup, add the tender cooked meats, smoked fish, and ground crayfish to the simmering base. Stir in about 1 tablespoon of low-crust beans and seasoning cubes to taste, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully. Let the soup simmer for approximately 15 minutes, stirring intermittently. Finally, incorporate your fresh leafy greens, cooking for just 2 to 3 minutes more. Serve your piping hot pond soup with your favorite swallow food for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.